Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install JDK and set Java Home on Windows 10. Type Java download in browser search bar. Click Java SE Downloads. Click Download under Oracle JDK. Check Accept License Agreement. Click exe file to download. Open downloaded file. Click Next to continue installation. Click Next to continue installation. Click Close. Type this PC in Windows search bar. Right-click this PC, click Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables. Click New. Type Java_Home in variable name. Click Browse Directory to select JDK installed directory. Java Home setting completed. Select Path, click Edit. Click New. Open File Explorer. Copy Java bin directory. Paste directory. Click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.